sugar, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, salt, and grated ginger. Next, you're going to add about 1/4 cup of water. Set that on the stove. Allow the coconut to boil until all the water is reduced from it. Then you're going to set that aside, and for the dough, we're just going to cut some circles into the dough. Afterwards, we're going to pinch the edges of the dough just to create that gizzada shape, that signature gizzada look. After doing that, we're going to take a fork to pierce some holes into the gizzada cups. After doing that, we're going to fill the gizzadas with the cooked coconut. And after filling the gizzadas, we're going to pop them into the oven and allow them to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they are done. You want to ensure that you don't dry the gizzadas out. And this is how they're looking. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Jamaican style gizzada.